Hey, what up, fuckers? It's your boy Abao from Project Rogue, and today I'm coming at you with another script breakdown. In this series, we go ahead and break down all the scripts that are within Project Rogue Roleplay and show you how they work. So without further ado, let's hop right into this. We got an exciting one today. Today, we're going to focus on our new Third Eye Q Target along with Polyzone garage system. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we got cooking. The new garage system is pretty easy to understand, and it utilizes a lot of parking spots for one garage system. So as you guys can see here, we're at a house. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull out a vehicle right here. So if I just pull up my third eye, I can pull out my vehicles and I can see what vehicles I have. Now, as you see, the vehicle is right here where I went ahead and I pulled it out. So if I go ahead and I select this vehicle, I can go ahead and I can drive it around. But now I'm going to show you guys me parking it in a different parking spot at that same garage. All right, so let's go ahead and third eye right here. As you can see, there's a parking spot right here. However, I can also pull up and there's another parking spot right here, meaning that multiple people can park and pull out their cars at one time. Now let's go ahead and go do this parking spot. I'm going to pull out a car. You're going to see that the car goes ahead and spawns in this parking spot, meaning that someone could go behind me and pull out another vehicle, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate that right now. As you can see, our car is now shifted backwards and multiple people can pull out multiple cars all at the same time. Certain vehicles that do not have the tires fitting the arches uses our stancing system from our tuner shops. This is all synced within the garage system, so if I go ahead and I pull out this vehicle, we're going to go ahead and see the suspension drop a little bit, and we'll see the tires reach out to the arches. There we go. And boom, we now have our stance kits still syncing with this new garage system. Next, let's go take a look at a public parking lot. So this is Legion Square parking lot. If we go ahead and we go to any one of these spaces in the front four lots, you're going to see that we can park our car right here or right here. But let's go ahead and back up. Can I park it right here? Sure can. Let's go ahead and back up a little bit more. I can also park it right here, or I can park it right here. Meaning that multiple people can all park their cars all at the same time or pull out their cars all at the same time, offering up to 20 people being able to pull out their car at once. We'll go ahead and show you one more version of the garages, and that's at our Richmond Hotel. If we go ahead and we pull up to any one of the valet spots and we go ahead and look down, we see that we can park our car. Let's go ahead and go to the fourth valet slot. We can see right here, we can go ahead and pull out our vehicle. So let's go ahead and pull out that charger again, and now we can get going. Next, let's take a look at a job garage. So we're at MRPD and we're in a personal vehicle, and I want to park my car here. So let's go ahead and try to park my car in one of these parking spots. As we see, when I go ahead and I try to park, we're going to see that I cannot park this vehicle. So now, if a vehicle cannot be parked in a certain parking spot, it'll just be rejected. It won't go ahead and eat your vehicle and keep a hold of it. So let's go ahead and park this vehicle. Let's get a cop car and let's try to park it here now. All right, so we got one of our cop cars. Let's go ahead and try to park it here in the parking lot down here. Perfect, we're able to. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Awesome. Let's go ahead and head on upstairs and test those front parking lots like we did with the personal vehicle. All right, looks like we're good. Okay, so let's go ahead and head on over to a public parking lot now with this police car. As you can see as well, I went through that vehicle. We'll talk more about that later. And as we see, we cannot park police cars in public parking lots either. Fast forward, let's go ahead and head on over to MRPD, where we'll go ahead and we'll drop this car back off and park it where it's supposed to be. All right, let's explain that invisible car thing that we saw earlier. So we've enabled a passive way to pull out your vehicle. For the first 5 seconds that you pull out your vehicle, you can see that that charger is invisible. So all cars will be invisible for 5 seconds, allowing you to make sure that you do not collide into any other vehicles. And yes, the sanitation workers, you can now park your vehicles in any parking spot, meaning that when you pull up to work, you can park that vehicle now. And boom shakalaka, the best thing since cake and ice cream. You guys just saw it. So we hope that you guys really enjoyed the video, and we hope that you guys are looking forward to seeing this in the live server on April 17th, 2022 at 2 p.m. Central Standard. We hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you guys are at in the world. And until next time, we'll see you guys in the next video.